Hi, we are currently in chapter 3 and coming up to reading about hypnosis. During this section in class, I typically have a lot of students who are curious if they could be hypnotized and just want to know a little bit more about how this all works. So, we are going to do an experiential so you can kind of get more of a sense of what we mean if we are hypnotizing somebody or what we mean by how susceptible is somebody to hypnotism. So, what I need you to do now is make sure that you have a printout of the questions provided on Cobra and a pen or pencil to record your answers. If you don't have that prepared right now, just pause the video, go get your materials, and then come back and we will get started. I have blacked out the screen because I don't want you to be distracted by my image. And during part of this, you're going to need to close your eyes, and I don't want you to be tempted to peek. So, in this first step, I'm going to ask you 4 questions. And if your answer is yes, what I want you to do is raise your right hand in the air just for a brief second, bring it down, and then write yes on your paper. If your answer is no, I want you to keep your hands by your side and then, after a few seconds, record your answer no. Okay, so here we go. Question number 1. In a group situation with people who you have just met, would you feel comfortable drawing attention to yourself by initiating a conversation? If your answer is yes, raise your hand and then record yes. If not, just record no. Question number 2. Do you have vivid memories of your childhood? Question number 3. Do you tend to lose yourself in books, movies, or TV shows? And question number 4. Do you believe in hypnosis? For the second part of this experiential, I need you to close your eyes and get comfortable and just listen to my voice and think about what I'm saying. So, what I want you to do first is imagine a lemon. You can even go as far as imagining it's a hot, sunny summer day. You've got a lemon tree in your backyard. And you go and pick one of those lemons. Maybe you smell it. It might smell sour, it might smell sweet. But now I want you to imagine that you're cutting this lemon. It's one of the biggest lemons that you've ever seen. And you're cutting it in half, 2 pieces. Maybe some of the juice is flowing out or is squirted on your face. Now I want you to pick up one part of that lemon and raise it over your head and squeeze it just a little bit to drop some of the juice on your tongue. Hi, welcome back. So, we just went through a lemon test experiential on hypnosis. And at this point, some of you may have experienced a little bit of a hypnosis suggestion in the form of almost tasting that lemon when I asked you to squeeze it, or your mouth started to salivate as I was talking about the lemon and squeezing it on your tongue. That is a small snippet in suggestion of hypnosis. So now what I want you to do is follow the rest of the guidelines on this assignment and fill out the questionnaire that was provided along with this and explore a little bit further on your thoughts of hypnosis.